Hello and howdy, ladies and gentlemen. Root Beer here, welcoming you back to question 23. This is the midway point on our Part C questions on our 2016 Pascal. In the diagram, triangle PQR is isosceles with PQ equal to PR equal to 39. So we can put the 39s over there on either side. And triangle SQR is equilateral with side 30. The area of PQS is closest to. So closest to makes me think I might have to round something. I'm given integer answers, but it doesn't mean I'll be getting an integer area. So I'm probably going to want my calculator, but who knows? Maybe I'll be able to find a way to do it without. Now, we just want that little sort of sliver of an area, little triangle area. And the first thing that I notice with the equilateral triangle and the isosceles triangle, there's a fair bit of symmetry. So if I were to maybe extend this down here, we get an altitude, and it splits both triangles in half. Okay, and so what we've really got here is we just want this triangle right here. So we have a 30 here. Now, the base over here was 30. Split that in half, because altitudes of isosceles and equilateral triangles split the base in half, so we'll get a 15 here. And we know we got a 39 here. Now, a nice way to find the area that we're looking for is to take the big area and subtract off this smaller right-angle triangle. And both of them are, in fact, right-angle triangles. Both of them have a base of 15. And we're given their hypotenuses, 30 and 39. Well, we don't use the hypotenuse to find the area of a triangle. We use the height, the altitude. But we can use sort of a Pythagorean theorem to work this out. So this height is going to be the square root of 39 squared minus 15 squared. And this height here is going to be the square root of 30 squared minus 15 squared. Okay? And so we grab our calculators just to speed things along, because based on the way they ask the question, I can't be sure that I'm going to get integers. Let's see here. So 39 squared, 1521 minus 225, which is 15 squared, is 1296, which happens to be 36. So the height over here is 36. 30 squared minus 15 squared, so that's 900 minus 225, and if I square root that, I'll get 25.98. So that's not the nicest thing. So square root of 675, I can at least divide by 25. Looks like I can divide by 15. Yeah, 15 root 3. Okay, so what we're looking at is we want this area here. That's going to be the big area with 36 and 15 minus the smaller one with 15 and 15 root 3. So these areas, 1/2 base times height Okay, we can pull out the 15 over 2 and say 36 minus 15 root 3. And I can do that on a calculator, so 36 minus 15 times root 3. If I had forgotten my calculator, of course, I could use the fact that root 3 is about 1.7, and the answers that they give us are far enough apart that that's not going to cause too many problems. So approximating with 1.7 or 1.73 in place of the root 3 could do just fine. But we get about 10.01, multiply that by 15, that's 150.2. And divide that by 2, we should get something that's approximately 75.144, and that's closest to 75. So 75 is going to be our answer. I think I saw that was in the middle at the top, so B, absolutely it is. All right, so that's question number 23, all squared away. Up next, we'll be taking a look at question 24, and after that, 25, and then we're done. So if you haven't given 24 or 25 a try, please do so, and I will see you for question 24 in the following video. Take care.